Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a stylish logo using CapCut on your PC. I'll show you step by step how to choose a logo design you like and customize it to fit your style. So, get ready and let's dive right in. For this demonstration, I'll be selecting the Instagram logo as an example. Let's get started.